Alright, well, it's about 10 minutes to 9, August 30th. My wife and I ran up and picked up this canoe yesterday afternoon, and now I'm on my way back to Public to do a couple test runs. I also have one area that it's going to be a little bit of a drag. It's just a dirt road that kind of dead ends by the lake, but there's a small section of woods between the dirt road and the lake, so it's going to be a little bit of a drag through the woods. There's a trail, so it won't be too hard, but I want to give that a shot too. So that's the game plan. Let's see how it goes. Alright, well, there's my setup. There's where I have to drag. There's my trail to the lake. There's daylight through there where the lake is, so it's not too terribly far, but that's where I gotta go. So let's see how this goes. Alright, well, we made it to the water, but where my two trail cameras are that way, so I'll be paddling that way first. Alright, well, I got a deer out in the water. There's a deer standing out there right now. Well, as you can see, there's a ton of lily pads and stuff in here. Well, this right here has made this boat purchase worth it. This is a part of the Public I've never been able to get to. This is the peninsula here. The furthest I've made it is the top right up here. I jumped a buck right there last winter. And now I'm just gonna walk up here for a few minutes and just see what's up here. Alright, I guess that's what I need. I need a trolling motor. Those guys just went across this section right here against the wind in about 30 seconds. That's crazy. All right, well, a couple things. I have my canoe netting attached, and I also bought this canoe rack right here for the back of the truck, and I've tested that out. It works really well. Once the canoe's on and I move the sides in and strap it down, it's super secure. So real happy with that. So what I did, I bought some rope and just ran it back and forth. And I used some olive green zip ties to hold it in place so it doesn't move. I pulled it super tight. There's not a lot of give. It's all pretty tight. I can hold my gear, my climbing sticks, a bow, muzzleloader, whatever I'm using. And back here, I plan on throwing my clothes, so once I get across the lake, I can put them on and not get sweaty while I'm paddling over. So that's my final setup at this point. Anyway, just wanted to show everyone. We'll talk to you later.